What's really rewarding for me is knowing that the clients appreciate what we're giving them. It's not a building site, it's someone's home. And knowing that we've created something that benefits the clients by adding that piece that they're missing, that's really what makes me get out of bed in the morning. I wouldn't be the person I am today without the people that I've had around me from the start. My old man, he's really pushed me to be the best person I can be. I was surrounded by building because I was always going to work with Dad. I was there, sitting shotgun in the truck. It made sense for me to move forward with a career in building. Home. It's such an important space because of the memories tied to that home. It's important to love the space that you live in. Clients usually come to us with a vision of what they're looking to achieve, but they're unsure of how they're going to get there. Everyone's home is their biggest asset, and it's financial investments, but not only that, it's emotional investments. So I need to make sure that it's going to be right. We've been able to create a process that is designed to ensure the whole building experience is one that's stress-free and an enjoyable one. It really is about customer satisfaction and about going that extra step. We care about what we're giving to the client. It's evident. Passion flows through the hands of everyone that works on the project. And it's not just our Watara home staff, it's all of our subcontractors. We all work together to get the end result, which then benefits the client because everyone's looking out for each other in that team environment. Clients that we've worked for them 2, 3, 4 times. These sorts of relationships that we build from actually the first connection is engaging our services, but it doesn't stop at the end of the build, it continues along past that. What I really love about our clients that we're working with is that they trust that we have the capability and the knowledge to execute exactly what they want through our systems and processes, so they really embrace the services that we offer. Being someone that is looked up to in the community, someone that can make an impact to the people around me. And then knowing that we've created something that benefits the family, is really what I strive for.